Chewie, who we all know behind my back drinks martinis and smokes cigarettes.
Right, like right now, right?
So it was windy and moist yesterday, so I had to walk her in the park, and she was like, darling, we all know I don't go out and win. So now I have to pick her up because what she does is she stops, and I'm walking, and she stops. So now it looks like I'm pulling her, and people are walking by like, oh, there's Kelly Ripa being abusive to her sweet dog. And the dog is like, see? Darling, I told you I don't walk in the wind. And, you know, and I'm like, yes, you do. So I had to carry her to her wee-wee spot and then pick her up and carry her to her poopy spot.
But this is a dog that smokes pot and drinks martinis.
Yeah.
This dog has quite the life,
She
okay?
doesn't smoke pot. There she is.
What does she do with the pot?
She takes pot. She eats pot.
She eats.
They're edible.
She eats.
She's got a bad back.
She's
got a bad back, and it's by the vet. The vet gave her pot. So now she's like, darling, who are you again?
Oh, Chewie, we love you.
Chewie has a